Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the battery level on the left and right earbuds are different. On the SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro, this issue is really nice to fix, and common of course. So, once we do have this issue, what I recommend doing is at first charge our headphones up to 100%. It's because when you use the left earbud only for a couple of hours and not use the right one, the battery levels will differ, and we have to fix it by charging the headphones, the case here, up to 100%. Once done, this should be fixed. If it doesn't, and if it's still different, what I recommend doing is to clean the air of the pins, because one headphone may not be charging here or here. Clean it and clean the area of the pads here. This should help you, but if it still doesn't and it's still different, what I recommend doing is to open your case lid and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds to factory reset them. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.